able to.
So it is you people make sure that ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಖಂಡಿತ ಬರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಗ so many people say that like counseling ಮಾಡುವಾಗ you people do hypnotism or something because lots of question arises ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೋ how do they treat me those things questions arises a lot
and I think there are a lot of misconceptions like this about people are hypnotized or when if I go to a counselor the counselor will be able to read my mind.
Exactly.
So I don't have to say anything. I will just go to the counselor. No, we are not mind readers, and we don't hypnotize. Hypnotherapy is a type of is a practice that some people do. It's not a part of our counseling practice.
Very little bit. I mean, we use hypnotherapy only for relaxation. If somebody comes very stressed, not able to really sit, then what we can do is we do relaxation work, which is some part of hypnotherapy.
Very small part.
But
there is no hypnosis involved in the way the way you are.
In fact, we make sure that we tell the counselor, anybody who is coming in, that counseling is a voluntary activity. No force is there. So we can't. If anybody comes, you think you talk what you want to. Exactly. If you ask a question and you don't want to answer, it's okay.
Okay.
Also,
so in the same
we
way,
don't do any background check.
No.
Okay.
So you can come in and say what your issue is and what you're getting help for. We are not going to do any check to find out whether this is the real truth. For us, if you have come and this is troubling you, then this is your truth, and we will work with you on that.
In the same way, even the person who has come to ask you, he should be open. He or she should be very much open.
As open like, they can be, that much help they will have.
Yeah, exactly.
But we are not going to call up their uncle or their father or saying, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ or ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ no.
So again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು it will be very secrecy maintain
confidentiality is very important.
So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ and those what do you say like
reservation is there.
Those things will be there.
That is there, and I think also sometimes you have people asking, my friend needs counseling.
Exactly.
Can you please call and tell, so that is another something, and we can't really force anybody.
Because it's voluntary, unless
you do go to their particular houses.
Sometimes, very rarely, if like person is disabled. Unable to move, and in one example I can give is there was this one client of mine who was had cancer, was like in not very well at all, but had lot of anger because he's going to he knows it is terminal, had a lot of anger, so was making life very difficult for everybody. So they talked to him, they told him we'll get a counselor, will you talk to the counselor? The client agreed. And after he agreed, then they called me and I went to their house and spoke to him only for 2 sessions, just to be able to help that person understand, saying you are angry. It's okay to be angry because you are fighting something which is very, very hard. It's okay to be angry, and to say that okay, how can you talk about it in a way which everybody can be okay with. So that much of help. 2 sessions, that's it, not certainly lifelong. And after that also I don't call up that person saying asking how are you.
No, we don't do that.
So once it is ended, it is ended, because then it's their life.
They should not remember that, like
they should not
like that now.
No, not like that. It's not, it's that sorry it's that once our counseling is over, we don't not going to call back and check and or any of that. We're not going to interfere in their life. They can call us back. We are happy to talk again, but we won't go and talk to them. So that boundary is there. Boundary is important.
And how do you feel nowadays? Has the people's mind changed? Like, have they come to like
I think it's become a lot more open. For sure.
Nowadays.
Because I think one of the things that I see, especially in marital counseling, where earlier only marriages which were in absolute trouble would come in. Now people, even before getting married, so premarital counseling has also started. So things like that, it's opening up slowly. People are still very conscious about not letting anybody know. They still feel a little stigma is there.
We do have a call now.
Sure.
Just talk to them. Hello. Hello.
Hello, my name is Ria.
Ria, tell me, Ria, where are you calling from?
I'm sorry.
Where are you calling from, Ria?
I'm calling from Bangalore, and I'm dealing with exam stress. I'm not getting sleep.
Okay.
My results are about to come up.
Okay,
How old are you, Ria?
I'm 13.
13.
13 years,
Okay. Ajanta, you want to talk to Ria?
I think Ria, I think Ria, exams are something which have become a big stressor for most people. I mean, across all cities, of course. At 13, it may seem like your life depends on it. What is going to happen with my results? I think look at what exactly is your stress, Ria. What specifically are you stressed about? You finished your exams right now?
Yeah, I'm basically stressed about the results, like what's gonna happen.
Okay, so the exams are done. I think one thing that I can tell you to all 13-year-olds or all teenagers who have tuned into the program is that once the exams are done, really you have no control over the results right now. And I think to just sort of step back and say it's what are exams really? A way of assessing what has happened and to see where you sort of can put in a little bit more work, also a type of acknowledgement for what you've done well. So look at it like that. Don't look at it as something which is going to sort of define who you really are. So, or in simpler words, don't take it so seriously. It's an exam after all, and I think look at it as something which possibly is a report card. I know is quite scary, but I think look at your own expectations from it. You would know how you've done, what you can put more work in, what you've done well. I think celebrate. You have holidays coming up now, so I think just relax a little bit.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you, Ria.
Thank you, Ria. Thanks for calling. Yeah, like nowadays exams are over. No, kids have lots and lots of tensions. Like after exams, first they'll be having like exam tensions. Then later on again results tensions. Obvious that is.
Yeah, it's such a big part
Yeah.
of our lives, and so
Exactly.
much of pressure gets everybody, like school pressure, the parents' pressure,
Exactly.
everybody
so
is
much
putting and
syllabus-
self pressure.
Exactly.
Self pressure is, I think, expectations. This whole message from childhood that I have to do well and I have to do the best
Exactly.
and that sort of pressure really works. So it can lead to also feeling low about yourself and